So Intune, or as Microsoft has rebranded it as Microsoft Endpoint Manager, is a unified management platform for devices, which includes your Windows 10, Mac OS, iOS, iPadOS, and Android as well. So as companies move more towards remote work and see more and more devices accessing their data, it's becoming more imperative that they protect access to their environments and to their company-owned data. So Microsoft Endpoint Manager allows organizations, IT groups to be able to control how access to that information is performed by their company. And also it allows for several different things for devices that they want to manage. So I like to think of four different things mainly, and that's flexibility, integrations, scalability, and security. And in the flexibility realm, what that allows organizations to do is whether it's an on-premises environment or a cloud-only environment, Endpoint Manager allows organizations to have those types of setups, as well as manage devices that are company-owned, but as well as devices that are personally owned. So bring your own device scenarios are scenarios that are supported by Endpoint Manager. The integrations part is important because you have deep integrations with Azure Active Directory, with Microsoft 365, and Windows Defender for Endpoint, which is another solution that enhances management capabilities in relation to devices, Windows 10 devices. And then you have scalability. Scalability, you think of processes for automation and deploying, managing, and updating Windows 10 devices primarily. That's all part of Endpoint Manager. And then security. So you can create application level controls to provide secure access to your company or work data, whether the device is fully managed by the company or if it is just without enrollment and it's just accessing specific applications that happen to be part of the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, which could be your email, which could be documents that are in SharePoint or OneDrive or Teams. And then lastly, you have deep integrations with, sorry, not deep integrations, but you have your security around Azure Active Directory and identities. And so you can leverage conditional access, which is basically rules around how, when, and where you're able to access specific company data in a more secure way that your company has control over. So again, flexibility, integration, scalability, and security, those were four important points to think about in relation to Endpoint Manager. If you're interested in learning more about Microsoft Endpoint Manager, please contact us at JourneyTEAM, and one of our business development managers will help you get pointed in the right direction.